So today we're taking the setup apart for another upgrade. For the last few months I've had these white 3D wall panels, and honestly they've been great. They were cheap, easy to install, and they helped me get the all white setup that I was like going for. But I felt like the room needed a little bit of contrast, and it was just time to switch things up. So to install these new panels, I pretty much had to strip the entire setup down. Pretty much everything had to come off. I installed these with mounting tape, not my proudest moment, and they definitely pulled off some drywall while removing them. The good news is that the new panels pretty much cover all of that, and I'll repair the wall properly at some point in the future. For now, I wasn't too worried about it. All right, so these panels come in a pack of 4, and they cost like $100 on Amazon. Since I wanted to mount them horizontally, I actually just needed 1 box, basically the length of my 2 floating shelves. Installation was pretty straightforward. I did not use any like constructor's glue or liquid nails or any of that stuff. They already come with screws in the package, and since I'm using my floating shelves as reference, I pretty much just line them up and drill them into the wall. I didn't want to use glue because I didn't want to deal with the same drywall damage that I dealt with the mounting tape, and with the screws they're even easier to remove. Alright, but quick side note, as you guys know, this channel is still very small, but Fifine actually reached out and they wanted me to review their SC3 and SC8 audio mixer. Since I already own both of those mixers, I figured it was cooler to give them away. So this Friday at 6 p.m, I'm going to be reviewing both of these mixers, and I'm going to give these 2 away to 2 of you guys. I'll be shipping them out myself, so if you're into gaming, streaming, or content creation, make sure you're subbed because you won't want to miss this. And with the size of this channel right now, you've actually got a pretty good chance of winning one. Alright, back to the setup. Then it was pretty much time to put everything back together. And every single time I have to take the setup apart for any reason, I always end up changing a few things. This time I moved the keyboards over to the side. I had them before right next to my prints, but I figured they look cooler on the ends of the wall. And I shifted a few things around, like I put the monitor all the way down on top of my riser and my soundbar underneath the desk riser, so it just looks cleaner and more like put together. And overall, I feel like it made the whole setup feel more balanced. I mean, these panels honestly changed the entire room. The wood adds enough warmth without taking away from the white setup. It also makes the RGB lighting pop a little bit more, and you can get even more creative with it. If you want to go with like warmer tones, it looks more like put together, like intentional. Even the prints seem to have more depth now. And considering it's a full wall transformation for like $100, I honestly think it's one of the biggest visual upgrades that you can make to your room. I mean, overall, I'm happy with the way it came out. I feel like these panels are pretty cost effective, and they work whether your setup is white or black or anything in between. But let me know down in the comments what you think. If you think these panels are kind of like laid out, or if you actually like them, like, let me know. If you enjoyed the video, I really appreciate a like. And don't forget, this Friday at 6 p.m, the 5-5 giveaway will be dropping. And it ties back to my last video where your setup doesn't have to be expensive. It just has to feel like yours. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.